If you have just upgraded to Windows 11 and you don't like the fact that the Windows Start menu icon is in the center of the taskbar, then don't panic because you can change it back to the left hand side position. And this is very easy to do. All we need to do is right click anywhere on the taskbar and you now need to select taskbar settings. We now need to expand taskbar behaviors and you then need to scroll down. You will now see taskbar alignment. As you can see, mine is currently set to center. You need to select the drop down menu and you then need to select left. You will now notice that all your taskbar icons and the Windows Start menu icon have shifted to the left hand side, just like they were in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped you out and you enjoyed it. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.